Hello guys, this is prime concept. Now we're here to tackle a problem under capacitors. The question says find the total energy of the system. And once you hear the word total, it simply means you need to know your total voltage or potential difference, which we have as 12, right? So we need to know V, which is 12 volts. We need to know our total capacitance. Now, since we have this, we need to find the equivalent capacitance of this circuit. If we can get this, then we can solve our problem. So first, you would observe that these two capacitors are arranged in parallel. Now remember, when capacitors are in parallel, their equivalent is their direct sum. So it's going to be 5 plus 8, which is going to give me 13 microfarad. And the next thing is this 2 becomes 1. So let me redraw the circuit very quickly. So this 2 becomes just a single capacitor now, like this, with a value of 13 microfarad, right? Now you notice that these 2 are now in series with each other. And when capacitors are in series, their equivalent is simply going to be, I gave you a short way for solving for only 2 capacitors in series. So the equivalent is going to be the product over their what? Sum. So what is the product? The product is simply 13 times 8. The sum is 13 plus 8. So quickly, what do we have? We have We have 104 divided by 10, 20, 21, 21. So our equivalent capacitance is actually 4.95 microfarad. Now, since we have our total capacitance, our total potential difference, we can find our energy, the total energy of the system, which is U equals half CV squared. So with this, we can get our total energy. So I have that U is half times my total capacitance is 4.95 times 10 to the power minus 6. Don't forget the micro there. And then our voltage is V, which is 12 all squared, right? So if I punch this, I would simply have this is 1, 2. So I have 3.56 times 10 to the power minus 4 joule, and this is my answer. Now I believe that this concept is simple and very clear. Remember, this is prime concept. Do well to watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends so that they can also benefit. Thank you.